current affairs for the month of April. So here we are uploading only part 1. The first question: which country will host the Asian Youth Games in 2021? So that country is China. Name the managing director and CEO of Paytm Money who has resigned recently. So the answer is Praveen Jadhav. Third question: in which of the following states Utkal Divas is celebrated? That state is Odisha. S&P Global Ratings has further slashed India's growth forecast from 5.2% for the financial year 2021. So that is 3.5% to 5.2%. Which of the following organization has signed an agreement to lend up to 60 million to Awas Financiaries Limited, a housing finance company in India? Asian Development Bank. That is $60 million. Arjun Dev passed away recently. He was a historian. Princess Maria Theresa became the first royal to die from COVID-19. She was the princess of which country? She was the princess of Spain. Until which year COP26 Ultimate Change Conference has been postponed due to coronavirus? So up to 2021. In which country the COP26 summit was set to be hosted? In November this year. So that is in country Scotland. Which FMCG company has completed its merger with GlaxoSmithKline Consumer Healthcare Limited, India? The answer is Hindustan Unilever. The World Athletics Championship in Eugene, Oregon will be shifted to accommodate the rearranged Tokyo Olympics 2022. The World Autism Awareness Day is celebrated each year on 2nd April. Which of the following organization has offered $1 billion to the Indian government for a proposed India COVID-19 emergency response and health systems preparedness project? So answer is World Bank. Name the former Hajuri Ragi of the Golden Temple and Padma Shri awardee who died after testing positive for coronavirus. The answer is by Nirmal Singh Khalsa. Wimbledon organizers has cancelled the grass court Grand Slam for the first time since World War II as the coronavirus wreaks further havoc. Where is Wimbledon held? England. Name the official app which has been launched by the Government of India to track COVID-19 patients in the country. That is Arogya Setu app. Fitch Ratings has slashed India's GDP growth forecast to 30-year low of 2% for financial year 2021. Which of the following banks has listed green bonds of USD 100 million about rupees 750 crore on BSE's India INX debit listing platform? State Bank of India. Which is the current MD and CEO of India INX? The answer is V. Balasubramaniam. Name the NCLT acting president whose tenure has been extended by the government for 3 years. BSV Prakash Kumar. Who among the following has officially been confirmed as the world's oldest living man by Guinness World Records? The answer is Robert Whithorn. Name the person who was one of the men behind the DLS method used in weather-affected limited overs matches and has passed away recently at the age of 78. Tony Lewis. In how many languages Arogya Setu, that is COVID-19 tracking app launched by the Indian government, is available? Is available in 11 languages. Which of the following state government in collaboration with UNICEF has launched Mo Pratibha scheme to engage young minds amid COVID-19 lockdown? Odisha. How much loan amount India has asked from ADB, AIIB to fight coronavirus pandemic? $6 billion. Who has been appointed as the permanent judge of High Court of Jammu Kashmir, Ladakh under Indian Constitution? Rajneesh Oswal. To which of the following organization the International Court of Jurists has urged to act against China for spreading COVID-19? United Nations Human Rights Council. ADB has projected India's GDP growth rate to slip to 4% in 2021. International Mine Awareness Day is observed on April 4th every year. Name the renowned Indian origin virologist who died recently from coronavirus. Geeta Ramji. Emmy Award winner Adam Schlesinger died at the age of 52 from COVID-19. He was a musician. ADB has projected India's gross domestic product growth to strengthen to 6.2% in financial year 2022. Name the operation which was conducted by Indian Air Force to airlift 6.2 tons of essentials, medicines and hospital consumables to Maldives. That is Operation Sanjeevani. Three-time Grammy awardee singer Bill Withers passed away. He belonged to which country? He belonged to USA. The National Maritime Day is celebrated every year on April 5. Which day is celebrated as International Day of Conscience? That is April 5. International Day of Sport for Development and Peace is celebrated every year on April 6. The 2021 World Games have been postponed to 2022. In which city the World Games 2020 was scheduled to be held? That is Birmingham, Alabama, United States. FIFA, that is FIFA, has postponed the Under 17 Women's World Cup due to COVID-19 pandemic. In which country it was planned to be held? That is in India. Who has been appointed as the chairperson of NASSCOM? Praveen Rao. Who has been appointed as the vice chairperson of NASSCOM? Rekha Menon. The coin of how much denominations has been announced by the center, which will come in 12-edged polygon shape. The coin is rupees 20. By how much percent Cabinet has reduced the salaries of MPs per year because of the emerging situation arising due to the rapid spread of coronavirus, that is 30%. MP LAD, Members of Parliament Local Area Development Scheme. Fund has been temporarily suspended for 2 years. What was the amount of MP LAD fund for these 2 years? Rupees 7,900. Which state has finished on top with a coverage of 2,06,853 at all India level for micro irrigation coverage under Pradhan, Tamil Nadu? Which country's former Prime Minister Mohammad Jibril has died from coronavirus? Libya. World Health Day is celebrated every year on April 7. Veteran music composer M.K. Arjunan has passed away from where he belonged to. He belonged to Kerala. Which of the following country has been banned from participating in weightlifting events in 2020 Tokyo Olympics by International Weightlifting Federation, that is IWF? The country is Thailand and Malaysia. How much amount has been raised by the PNB Housing Finance, who signed an agreement with the Japan International Cooperation Agency, that is JICA, to finance mortgage loans in affordable housing segment, that is $75 million. Name the anti-malarial drug which has been requested from India by 30 countries to fight COVID-19. Hydroxychloroquine. That medicine is hydroxychloroquine. Pharmacists, popularly known as Dash of Pradhan Mantri Jana Aushadhi Kendra, are delivering essential services and medicines at doorstep under Pradhan Mantri Bharatiya Janaushadhi Pariyojana, that is PMBJP. Swasth Ke Sipahi. Swasth Ke Sipahi. Name the online challenge which is launched by Ministry of Human Resource Development, that is MHRD, to invite ideas to fight COVID-19. That online challenge is Samadhan. Name the CEO of Twitter who has pledged $1 billion of his wealth for fight against coronavirus. Jack Dorsey. Which of the following organization has partnered with UNICEF to support India's fight against COVID-19? The organization is Hindustan Unilever. Goldman Sachs has projected that India's GDP may plummet to multi-decade low of 1.6% in financial year 2021. Veteran actor Shashi Kalinga has passed away from where he belonged to. He belonged to Kerala. Who is the Executive Director of United Nations Children's Fund, that is UNICEF? The Executive Director is Hendita H4. Kristalina Georgieva has said that world is facing worst economic fallout since the Great Depression. She is the head of which of the following organization? She is the head of International Monetary Fund. Which of the following person has topped the 34th Forbes Billionaires list 2020? Jeff Bezos. SARC Development Fund allocated for COVID-19 projects, $5 million fund. Which company has got the approval of Competition Commission of India (CCI) to buy 80.1% stake in the power grid business of Swiss Power Major ABB Limited, Hitachi. Which of the following company has inked fact to acquire 100% stake in GMR Kamalanga Energy Limited, JSW Energy? Who has been appointed as MD and CEO of Bharti AXA Life Insurance, Parag Raja? Which cricketer has been named Wisden's leading men's cricketer in the world? Ben Stokes. Which cricketer has been named Wisden's leading women's cricketer in the world? Else Perry. Jeff Bezos, having net worth of $113 billion, is the founder and CEO of which of the following companies? So he is the founder of Amazon. Name the mobile doctor booth designed by Indian Railways for zero contact checkups. That is Charaka. Name the operation which has been announced by Delhi CM to fight COVID-19. The operation is Operation Seed. To which country India will export 90,000 tons of surplus wheat to under G2G arrangement? Afghanistan and Lebanon. India's GDP growth for the current fiscal is expected to slow down to 4% according to the UN report. Which of the following bank has launched DigiGen Simple Digital Banking for savings account and fixed deposits? Jana Small Finance Bank. Who has been appointed as non-executive chairman of AU Small Finance Bank? R.V. Verma. Who has been appointed as MD and CEO of IPCO Tokyo General Insurance? Anamika Rai Rastovar. Who has been reappointed as MD and CEO of AU Small Finance Bank? Sanjay Agarwal. Who has been reappointed as whole-time director of AU Small Finance Bank? Uttam Tibrewal. What is the rank of Indian football team in FIFA's latest ranking? 108. Which of the following country has topped the FIFA's latest ranking? Belgium. The World Homeopathy Day is celebrated each year on 10th April. National Safe Motherhood Day is celebrated every year on 11th April. National Pet Day is celebrated every year in USA on 11th April. Padma Shri Shanti Hirananda has passed away. She was a classical singer. Name the Pulitzer Prize winning writer who has written a book titled The Art of Her Deal, The Untold Story of Melania Trump. Mary Jordan. Who is the father of homeopathy system of medicines? Samuel Hahnemann. Name the person whose reappointment as MD and CEO of Karnataka Bank for 3 years has been approved by RBI. Mahabaleshwar MS. Name the person whose reappointment as non-executive chairman of Karnataka Bank has been approved by RBI. P. Jairam Bhatt. The International Day of Human Space Flight is celebrated each year on 12th of April. Easter festival was celebrated in 2020 on 12th April. With which company Apple has collaborated to launch COVID-19 contact tracing tech? With Google. World Bank has projected India's economic growth in financial year 21 at 1.5 to 2.8%. World Bank has estimated India's economic growth in financial 20 at 4.8 to 5%. Name the railway station which became the first station in Indian Railways to install sanitizing tunnels. Ahmedabad Railway Station. Name the former RBI governor who has been appointed to a 12-member advisory group to IMF. Raghuram Rajan. Who has been signed as the brand ambassador for Mobile Premier League MPL. Tamanna Bhatia. The President Trump has declared that all the states of US are under a major disaster declaration for the first time in US history. What is the total number of states in US? 50 states. 13 April marked the anniversary of the Jallianwala Bagh massacre. In which year it happened? It happened 1919. Name the new channel that will air classic shows and has been launched by public broadcaster Prasar Bharati. DD Retro. What is the position of Mukesh Ambani in the Forbes 34th annual World's Billionaires list? 17th place. Which ministry has launched its webinar series named Dekho Apna Desh? Ministry of Tourism. Which ministry has launched the web portal named Yukti with a dashboard to monitor and record the efforts and initiatives of the ministry, that is Ministry of Human Resources and Development, MHRD. IMF has projected India's growth rate at 1.9% in financial year 21. Which bank has extended bank insurance tie-up with Max Life Insurance for 5 years? Yes Bank. The World Bank in its South Asia Economic Focus report has estimated that the regional growth of South Asia will fall to a range between 1.8 to 2.8% in 2020. Who has taken charge as Executive Director at Union Bank of India? Birupaksha Mishra. Which country will host Asian Boxing Championship 2020 in November-December? India. Pakistani Jafar Sarfraz has recently died of coronavirus. He was a cricketer. In which state robots will serve food and give medicine to COVID-19 patients in two hospitals in West Singhbhum district? Jharkhand. Which state is going to become the first state to start pool testing of COVID-19? The state is Uttar Pradesh. Which of the following organization has announced to increase COVID-19 package from $6.5 billion to $20 billion? Asian Development Bank. Which country has approved the sale of anti-ship missiles Torpedoes worth rupees US dollar 155 million to India? USA. World Art Day is celebrated every year on 15th of April. World Art Day is celebrated on 15th every year to honor and mark the birthday of which of the following greatest artist of all time? Leonardo da Vinci. Which national park has become India's first quarantine facility for animals? Jim Corbett National Park. Department of Science and Technology, that is DST, has rolled out integrated geospatial platform named Sahyog. Which of the following organization has developed KIOSK for COVID-19 sample collection? Defense Research and Development Laboratory. According to research report by SBI, India's GDP growth may fall to 1.1% in financial year 2021. Which bank has partnered with the state-owned BSNL to launch UPI-based payment platform named Bharata InstaPay, that is State Bank of India? Who has been appointed as MD and CEO of Paytm General Insurance? Vineet Arora. Who has been appointed as MD and CEO of K Ratings? Ajay Mahajan. According to SBI Ecoprap report, the extension of the lockdown would result in economic loss of rupees 21.1 trillion or 6% of the nominal gross value added, that is GVA, gross value added, rupees 21.1 trillion. Ranjit Chowdhury has recently passed away. He was an actor. How many districts in 25 states has been clearly declared as COVID-19 hotspots by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare? So 170 districts in 25 states. Which of the following organization has said that Asia is expected to see 0% growth in 2020 due to COVID-19 pandemic? International Monetary Fund. Which of the following organization has announced to lend US dollar 50 million to India to help fight COVID-19 pandemic? Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank. Which of the following banking license has been cancelled by RBI? Mapusa Urban Cooperative Bank. Mapusa Urban. Who has been named as the new ambassador for WWF India? Vishwanathan Anand. Who has taken over additional charge of Mahanagara Telephone Nigam Limited? PK Purwar. The current reverse repo rate after being reduced by 25 bpc is 3.75% under liquidity adjustment facility, that is LAF, liquidity adjustment. RBI has injected 3.20% of GDP into the economy to tackle liquidity situation. World Wise Day is observed every year on 16th of April. World Wise Day observed on 16th April. World Hemophilia Day is observed every year on 17th April. World Hemophilia Day. The inaugural International Day of Mathematics was observed on 14th April 2020. The inaugural International Day of Mathematics. What is the current statutory liquidity ratios? SLR 18%. RBI has extended the period of resolution plan for NPAs by 90 days. So this is the part 1 current affairs related to the April month. In the next video, so we are uploading the current affairs related to April month, that is part 2. So subscribe our channel and share as much as possible with your friends. Thank you very much.